is On Some Ramen here, coming at you with another episode of It's Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I'm on a time budget, so let's get it on. We got this. This is a-sha LaoTao. It'll be in the title, but it's a beef and tendon noodle from Taiwan. And look at this. This is hefty. So you got, I believe this is the tendon meat. You got the soup. And then you got the noodle, which is going in to boil for 4 minutes right now. Yeah, I got 17 minutes until I have a teacher conference for my daughter. And I am one who enjoys gambling with time, but I think I can pull this off. So let's first start with our quote from Momofuku Ando, which you may not know, but the inventor of the instant noodle, Taiwanese-born guy. Yep. Knew there was something I liked about Taiwan. Anyways, number 87. The power of an enterprise is no more or less than the mechanism under which everyone in the company works together to deal with problems that arise. Word. Yeah. So what's going on with you guys today? Like I said, I got a meeting with the teacher tomorrow. I don't know if I'll be doing reviewing tomorrow because Miss Mimi had a play date with a friend from class, so that's pretty snazzy. Another little girl said she really thought Mimi was cool, and then they contacted me and like, is there any way they can like get together and hang out and stuff? I'm like, yeah, that's cool. So yeah, let the coolness commence. And let's not let these noodles boil over. Alright, here we go. Alright, we're down to 15 minutes. We're down to 2.5 minutes on the boil. That's really not too bad. I think we'll be fine. Just as long as I can get everything happy and happy and happy. So, yeah, Thanksgiving, day after tomorrow for me. I hope you had a good one. Gosh, I don't even know. Is it Christmas right now for you? Is it Christmas Eve? Hopefully, that'd be kind of neat if this one came out Christmas Eve. Although, I don't know. I might skip Christmas week for episodes. Even though that's a lot of time that people could be actually watching, it's also a lot of time that people might be traveling. So, I know you're going to be like, well, no, people won't be traveling this year so much because of the COVID. That's not. I don't know. They had like this Q&A on the news this morning. There was a doctor and there was a lady like interviewing the doctor, and she had a list of questions that people sent in, like, so if my kid lives over here and I live over here. We had COVID once, but also there's going to be like a bunch of people there too. Is that safe? Just like over and over. It's like, no. Does it still apply to me if, you know, I have red hair? Yeah. I'm bummed. My sister, she is a frontline worker on the COVID thing. She screens people that are going to the hospital, which is pretty cool. I mean, money's good, but we don't get to hang out with her for Turkey Day or Christmas. She said something about she's going to be able to do it until June, which is rad. I mean, she needs money, but it's just kind of harsh. So we're both bummed, me and my sister and everybody, we're all bummed about that, but hey, you gotta do what you gotta do. So. Okay, down to 20 seconds. I'm ready. En garde. Wee wee, poo poo, poop the grass. I've been listening to a lot of French rap lately. Supreme, what is it? Supreme FML, is that it? I don't think that's it. FTL? Alright, draining. Adding to the bowl. Now the tricky part. Got this big sachet, we gotta bring this to heat without spilling it everywhere. And it looks like I will be successful with that. Proud of me, I am. Okay, come on. Come on, beef. Work with me here. I'm on a schedule. Come on, beef. Let go. God, that smells good. So finally, I will have had all 3 of these, and there's the red one, and the red pack, the white pack. The red pack is the regular one. This one is the one that also has tendon meat, and then there's the white pack, which is the Wagyu beef. So that's cool. Down to 11 minutes. Come on. Go, go, go. Heat up, heat up, heat up. Let me look at this. I actually found a instructional video on this, and it showed basically like you add this on top at the end. That was what I got out of it. In fact, what I got out of it, it looked almost like you just kind of add them both to the noodle at room temp, but that didn't seem right. If I'm cooking these wrong, I'll have to ask them for more. Ooh, no, this is vegetable matter. This is pickled. Greens. Okay. Come on, 10 minutes. Ten minutes. 10 minutes to go. Come on. Come on. This is going to be really cutting it close. I'm going to get this and this ready. Got that ready. Got that. Ooh. Come on, Rotato. You need to be plugged in. This Supreme Rotato. There you go. For some reason, the cord for this thing just never stays in right. There we go, okay. There you go. Perfect. All right, you guys ready? Cool. These noodles be right dead center. Broth. Beautiful. Except I don't see where those noodles went. Yeah. Oh. Look at that. Mmm. Beautiful. As expected. Here's our pickled. And, you know, they're perfect and they're getting play today. Now, as long as they stay where they need to, this is going to be an absolute beauty win. Thank you to my lovely wife for making the most wonderful eggs in the universe. And yeah, that's that. And I have 6 minutes free. Put a little bit of spring onion right about here. And we're good. We did it. This is absolutely wonderful stuff. Thank you to the folks at a-sha Dry Noodle for shooting this over. Yeah, LaoTao, do your stuff. Wow. I have just a little red pepper flake and a little bit of sesame seed, and that is the biznam right there. Yeah. All right. Thanks again for watching, and yeah, this has been LaoTao Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment in your noodles each and every day. Have a good one, and bye.